This video explores Lean Six Sigma, a methodology combining lean principles for efficiency and Six Sigma for quality improvement. It follows a structured approach: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, illustrated by the cyclical process shown. Today, we're diving into the critical tool for project success, the project charter. It's essential for outlining your project's objectives, scope, and roles right from the start. Have you ever wondered how to achieve clarity and secure buy-in at the very beginning of a project? A well-crafted project charter is your answer. Our agenda covers why project charters are crucial in hospitality, key elements of a Lean Six Sigma charter, aligning stakeholders, interactive exercises, case studies, and final reflections. Welcome! Every successful project starts with a shared understanding. What are we solving? Why does it matter? And who's involved? The project charter is a powerful tool for clarity and alignment. Did you know that over 50% of failed projects lacked a clearly defined scope or objective? This highlights that ambiguity leads to wasted time, while project charters foster shared understanding. Have you ever started a project where no one was truly clear on what problem was being solved? This common issue emphasizes the need for initial clarity. A project charter is a foundational document. It defines the why, what, who, when, and how, setting expectations and goals. It's a one-page strategic blueprint that prevents scope creep and confusion. Key components of a project charter include the problem and goal statements, scope, both in and out, the timeline and milestones, and clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Considering these key components, which of these elements do you typically skip or rush through when starting a new project? The business case explains why the project is needed, while the problem statement identifies what's broken or causing loss. Both should be measurable, not emotional, to provide a clear foundation. The goal statement defines success using SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, reducing table turnover by 15% in 60 days. Common pitfalls include starting without a charter, which can lead to misaligned expectations, conflicting priorities, and delayed decisions. These issues can derail a project from the outset. Vague goals like improve service can cause confusion and frustration. Instead, aim for specific, measurable goals such as reduce check-in time by 20% to ensure clarity. Undefined roles are another pitfall. Without clear answers on who is leading and who is supporting, accountability gaps emerge, leading to inefficiencies and project delays. Reflecting on project experiences, what's the vaguest goal you've encountered that made it difficult to progress? In Exercise 1.1, you'll draft your charter. Choose a current or upcoming project and fill in each section with your team, using sticky notes or digital templates. Exercise 1.2 is a breakout activity to define scope. Clearly outline what's in and out of the project to avoid scope creep. Then share your examples. Exercise 1.3 focuses on role clarity. Discuss with your group: who is the project lead? Who needs to be consulted or informed? This ensures everyone understands their involvement. Consider a problem in your business that's frequently discussed but rarely clearly defined. This exercise encourages deeper thought into project formulation. Defining what's in and out of scope creates clear boundaries, preventing project creep. It specifies where the project begins and ends and clarifies what will not be addressed. The timeline and roles section lists team members, sponsor, lead, support, and their responsibilities. It also includes key checkpoints, deliverables, and estimated start and end dates. Success metrics define how you'll measure project achievement, such as guest satisfaction or reduced complaint rates. Securing stakeholder sign-off on these metrics is crucial for buy-in. When it comes to project planning, which of these crucial elements, scope, timeline, roles, or success metrics, do you typically skip or rush through? For exercise part 1 of our charter workshop, choose a real or hypothetical project, such as a new POS system or menu change. Work in pairs or trios to identify your project. In exercise part 2, draft the charter. Fill in the business case, problem, and goal. Define your project scope, including what's in and out, and list 2 key stakeholders and 2 team roles. Exercise part 3 involves sharing and challenging. Groups present their charters, and others provide feedback on clarity and scope. Optionally, you can vote on the most actionable charter. Thinking about the charter building process, what aspect made you pause and reflect most deeply on your project's direction? Let's explore some case studies to see how a project charter can significantly help you in real-world scenarios. In Case Study 1, a charter was used to reduce front-of-house queue times without hiring more staff. By clearly defining problems, average wait times were cut by 12 minutes with a new check-in system. Case Study 2 addressed inventory errors. A charter clarified ownership of inventory tasks, leading to a 40% drop in monthly variance within 3 months, improving cost control. For Case Study 3, a charter standardized breakfast service focusing solely on the buffet. This led to an 18-point rise in guest satisfaction scores by setting SMART goals. Case Study 4 tackled low engagement in a staff training program. The charter clarified purpose, schedule, and incentives, resulting in 90% attendance and improved performance. Reflecting on your own experiences, what difference would a clear charter have made in your last project that experienced issues or even failed? To recap, never skip the project setup, as it saves time later. A charter clarifies direction, expectations, and ownership. Projects launched with clarity consistently lead to smoother results. For your homework, draft a simple project charter for a real or hypothetical initiative. As a bonus, present your charter to a peer for their valuable feedback and refinement. Thank you for engaging with the content today. We appreciate your participation and hope you found this video informative. As RJK wisely said, clarity isn't just polite, it's power. A project charter is your map through the chaos. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video helps you in your future projects. This video was developed and presented by KPM-SMARTBIZ, a leader in optimizing business processes. For more information and resources, please visit our website at www.kpmsmartbiz.com.